So this weekend we're headed out to Lake Livingston State Park. Our trip got cut short by bearing failures on our trailer. Yep, she's leaning outwards, possibly inwards a little bit. Don't believe we're going to chance trying to get it home. Call AAA, let them come pick this thing up for us.
Loaded up, getting ready to head back to the casa.
Alright, these stabilizer jacks, they are doing a pretty good job to serve as a jack for the trailer, so at least I know on the trail I've always got a jack. I put them on the frame and it'll lift this thing tall enough so I can get this tire off the ground. Yep, I think we got really lucky that guy flagged us down on the road, because I never felt this pulling down the highway with a truck. And he said he saw sparks coming off my back wheel. Not good. Not good at all. We'll get this sucker apart and see what all's in here. Like we need new bearings, new seal. I'm gonna get this thing all cleaned up and inspected, and then figure out what parts I need. So I ended up needing both inner and outer bearings and races, as well as the rear seal. And I also found out that my inner race had fallen out and worn the drum out itself, so I had to purchase a new drum as well. So let's see how this goes and get this thing back together. Alright, finally got the brake shoes on there. Man, those springs are always a chore. But clean and ready to go back together. Well, that's about it. I ended up putting more grease in the Easy Lube fitting and put the tire back on and set her back on the ground. If you like our content, hit the like button, subscribe, and then click that bell to get notifications of new videos.